way?
I don't know, I'm not sure.
Sarah!
What?
Be careful with your head. Habiba, ouch. I didn't want to say anything. The reason why Sarah is wet and I am wet is because you... Oscar and I haven't told him anything. He's coming back. He went to his car.
Did he drive?
Yeah, he drove, yes.
Nena, por favor, no se meta ahí. Solo quiero ver. Sara, mamacita. Quiero ver. ¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿Qué está haciendo, tío?
Taking a record
For what?
for the insurance.
Sara, mamita.
Sarah, you shouldn't be here.
Why?
Why? Because this is dirty here.
What? It's slippery?
Yes.
And why you're there?
Because I am doing a record for the insurance company, Sarah.
Sara, what is that? Mami. Mami, ¿puedo limpiar mis zapatos? Sara, espérese, nene.
Es que yo quiero un lugar donde se pueda ver hasta dónde llegó el agua.
Huele espantoso.
Claro, la humedad.
Mire, allá donde están los libros encima de ese asiento.
Going downstairs. Just wait there.
The water was at the border of the desk when we left. You found it? Mamita se espera. And we need to clean up this, otherwise we're gonna have an infection.
Yeah, they have to clean with it. They have to clean with cold.
I don't feel like having time to remove those books from over there. They were like this.
Books that are safe, where are they gonna go? First, we have to start getting rid of all the boxes from. Now look at this.
I put my clothes too.
Oh man, look at your papers.
¿Las fotocopias de Juanga?
No. No, they're here. Oh.
Pero miren eso.
What is this? This is just part of the paper. I don't know where. Which paper? What is that? Political theory. Search committee. Department of Political Science. Oh, this is your letter of applications. Yeah, probably. Applications. I use some of that paper to hold books. Yeah. We can put it on the floor. Okay, Juanita, let's start.
This Habibo era, it was like a fall, like a waterfall, like this.
Okay. Let's start take the. We'll take the boxes out first.
Okay, let me stop here. Yes.